Hello everybody. I'm gonna make a video today about the Mitsubishi electric air conditioner, how it's come warm, how can you make it inside is hot or cool. Guys, this is the remote and this is the air conditioner. It's on at the moment. I'm just gonna put off and show you how to put on and how to keep it warm. Guys, let's do it. It's gonna close, just wait 1 minute. Now it's off. You're gonna press the red one button to open, like I put on. When it's come on, guys, it should be like this. And the only things, you're gonna have to wait 5 or 3 minutes, 3 or 5 minutes. This is the mute, like a mute on it. Fan, yeah, it should be like this. The vane, 1, 2, 3, 4. It should come in the middle, and should be fan over there. Yes, this is making like a high here, and this is fine, it doesn't matter. Can be like anything. You can make like this, guys, it's no problem. And the clock is gonna keep going on and coming off sometimes, it's no problem. Guys, it should be like this, how you see on here. And the only thing, you are going to wait a few minutes, then it's gonna become hot, like a warm. I hope in this video I helped you, and thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, you guys.